7 cool things you can do with an Enter Smart Lock. 1. Get through the door in a flash. 2. Let your friends and loved ones in anytime. 3. Never leave your favorite armchair again. 4. Get into the house just by using your fingerprint. 5. Dance, because you'll never have to worry again about leaving the door unlocked. 6. Stay up to date with all of the latest trends and features. And 7. Keep tabs on your little treasures. Enter, because a smart home starts at your front door. Enter. Open the door to your smart home. Remote notification not available yet.